bout to hear. More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words, his bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. In this video, I'm going to be discussing something I think all the young men should be aware of and start thinking about, is the environment of relationships and dating. So this video is named Fisherman of GWL, girl, woman, lady, attracting the opposite sex. Society today has made having a relationship almost with the opposite sex almost impossible. There are now so many elements that a man needs before he can consider dating. Then a man must understand the new environment, the red pill, the blue pill, black pill, alpha, beta, sigma, simps, passport bro, and boss babe, just to name a few. So the simple, natural human instinct of attracting a girl, woman, or lady is now complicated. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say. So I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, I need to reach 100 subscribers. So tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. This new environment has changed the way girls, women, ladies look at men. It's no longer just for relationship's sake. No, it's about what can you do for me. Their new mentality or mindset has certain requirements that men must have in order to consider talking to a woman. And we'll get into those later on. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. There are some categories which I have defined for each sex. Female, that's just the shell, the body of the individual. Girl, that's the immature feminine. Woman, that's the mature feminine. And lady, mature, feminine, refined. For the males or men, male is just the body or shell of the individual. Boy is immature masculine. Man, mature masculine. Gentlemen, mature, masculine, refined. And I'll get into each of those in another video, but not in this one. And there are 7 skills, characteristics, or traits that I think each man, young man, needs to have or needs to think about starting to put together in order to be successful in this new dating environment. And the first one is visual presence. What is your visual presence? Second one, physical status. Third, confidence. The fourth, verbal command. The fifth, financial stability. The sixth, ambition to elevate lifestyle. And seventh, you being purpose driven. What is your purpose in life? So those are things that we need in order to compete out here in this new environment of relationships and dating. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one. Like I always say on all my videos, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace and blessings.
What they bout to hear? More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.